Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Fact Engine. Semiconductors, tiny chips that power everything from your smartphone to fighter jets, are at the heart of one of the biggest geopolitical conflicts today. The China-Taiwan tension has far-reaching consequences for the world, especially for India. So, what's going on, and how does this affect global power dynamics? Let's dive into the geopolitics of semiconductors and its impact on India. Semiconductors are often called the new oil. These chips are essential for modern technology. Smartphones, 5G infrastructure, electric vehicles, and even military defense systems rely on them. Taiwan holds a critical position in this global supply chain. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, TSMC, based in Taiwan, is the world's largest producer of semiconductors, controlling more than 50% of the global market. In fact, TSMC makes over 90% of the most advanced chips used by companies like Apple, Intel, and Qualcomm. But there's a problem. Taiwan's position as a semiconductor leader is caught in the middle of a much larger geopolitical struggle: China's claim over Taiwan. China considers Taiwan a breakaway province and has repeatedly expressed its desire for reunification, even by force if necessary. China's ambitions have sparked fears around the world. If a conflict arises, global semiconductor supplies could be disrupted, leading to severe consequences for industries worldwide. Western countries, especially the United States, see Taiwan's independence as critical to keeping this technology out of China's hands. China wants to reduce its reliance on foreign-made semiconductors, especially from Taiwan, and is pouring billions into developing its own semiconductor industry, but they are still years behind in producing the most advanced chips. Now let's talk about India. India, while a global leader in IT services, imports nearly all of its semiconductors. A conflict between China and Taiwan could have a huge impact on India's economy. Supply shortages could cripple key sectors like telecommunications, automotive, and electronics. India is responding by launching initiatives to boost its semiconductor industry. In 2021, the Indian government unveiled a $10 billion incentive program to attract global chip manufacturers to set up plants in India. Major companies like Vedanta and Foxconn have already announced plans to invest in chip production. Beyond building its own semiconductor industry, India is playing a strategic role in the broader geopolitical landscape. India has been strengthening its ties with the USA, Japan, and Europe, countries that are also wary of China's rising influence in the tech space. These partnerships could help India access advanced technologies and secure its place in global supply chains. The Quad Alliance, involving India, the United States, Japan, and Australia, is looking to safeguard the Indo-Pacific region's tech infrastructure and semiconductor supplies. This alliance is crucial for maintaining balance against China's ambitions. The battle over semiconductors is about much more than just technology. It's about who will lead in the digital economy, military power, and global influence. With Taiwan at the center of this conflict and China eager to expand its dominance, countries like India have no choice but to invest in self-reliance and forge strong international partnerships. India is preparing for the challenges ahead, but the question remains, will the world find a way to navigate these tensions? Or are we headed for a global tech crisis if China attacks Taiwan, whereas China already started defense drill near Taiwan? That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into global tech and geopolitics.